Hey guys, Mark here. Welcome back to another video. This is a quick one today. We're here in Japan, Tokyo. I just want to show you all these cool yellow brick road blocks they see all over Japan. These are actually called tenji blocks. They're actually Braille for the foot. They're for blind people. And there's two types of patterns. The dot ones that indicate caution and importance up ahead, such as entrances, stairs, intersections, and train stations. And of course, the straight ones, which lead you to the next turn or dot importance, like these blocks right here. So these blocks, the dot ones, kind of indicate a turn. And as you follow them, it gives you the caution, letting you know that there's something up ahead, or there's a turn, or again, more importances that you need to know. They're all around Japan and Tokyo. I just figured I'd share this video of this really cool creation and innovation for blind people. I think it's very awesome. Tenji blocks, something I just really wanted to share with you guys and let you guys know here in Japan. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. I'm out.